Hey, what's up, guys? It's Hyro. So I finally downloaded Windows 11. It's interesting. I like some stuff in it. Some stuff looks different. Getting used to it. But just wanted to make this quick video showing you guys 7 different ways to open up Task Manager in Windows 11. So step 1 or first way, right-click on the Start menu. Boom, right there. First one, easy. Right click here, start, click on Task Manager. That's it, easy enough. You used to be able to just, on Windows 10, right click on the taskbar and it would pop up, but no longer. So here we go. Right click, Task Manager, easy enough. Second way is pretty easy too. Click on the search icon and here type Task Manager and it will pop up right there. Task Manager app. While this is up, let's pin it and show that one more time. Type you can just type task, honestly, it'll pop up. There you go. Next one is to click on a previously pinned task manager. That's the third way. Boom. It's pinned down here, click on it, easy. So, what's the fourth way? I'm gonna click on File Explorer, and this is the manual way. We're just gonna go to our C drive, click on Windows, click on System 32, and then scroll down, and you will see Task Manager in here. There it is. That is the fourth way. The fifth way, it's going to be command prompt. Open up command prompt. If you type CMD, command prompt opens up, and then just type taskmgr.exe. Enter. Boom. Taskmgr.exe. Enter. Next way, so that's the fifth way. The sixth way is to do a run command. So open the run app and type task mgr.exe and boom, there you go. Hit enter and it pops up. One more time. So open up the run app. You can just search run. Then in the run app, type taskmgr.exe. Hit enter and there it is. And the seventh and final way is through PowerShell. Type here to search, open up PowerShell, and type, you guessed it, taskmgr.exe. Boom. There you go. Once again, open up PowerShell, type taskmgr.exe, opens right up. Now you might say, why do I need to know 7 different ways of opening Task Manager? Why do I need to know this? Well, because sometimes crap's going to break, and especially with a new OS, Windows 11, there's going to be times where you're like, hey, my start button isn't working. My file explorer is not working. I can't pin anything right now. Nothing but the command prompt works. Nothing but PowerShell works. How do I get to Task Manager when everything's gone from my desktop? Or, there's no way to, I don't know, just stuff's going to break. And now, finally, I wanted to teach you guys a bonus 8th way of opening Task Manager. That's right, I lied. It's 8 ways. So, if you hit Control, Shift, Escape, it opens right up. That's right, Control plus Shift plus Escape. There you go. And that's the easiest way to do it. All right.